Hey guys, finally I'm at the gym today and I want to share with you guys my workout and the gym modest way I wear, etc. So yeah, let me first wrap my hands and I will show you step by step my full workout routine, cardio specifically. And yeah, let's just continue wrapping it, and along the way I'll show you all. This is the thing I do, especially cardio. I do like shadow boxing, etc. Honestly, boxing helped me to do like more cardio routine, and that helped me actually maintain and lose my weight. And I've seen the difference, and you know, like you can eat whatever you want, and then at the same time you still like gonna burn. I will literally show you guys, and you just need to be step by step shadow boxing, moving on. While boxing, you use literally your whole body, and in order to lose weight. So yeah, now we're doing the shadow boxing 3 minutes. Shadow boxing session. So now we're gonna do the treadmill. See you guys. Treadmill, I'm going to do the boxing bag 3 minutes, and so I'm just sharing my boxing workout routine fitness for you guys. So since there's no boxing bag, I'm going to punch those things here, just pile it up, because unfortunately they're still fixing the boxing thingy on there, and so yeah, let's go. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take a break. Actually, one of my followers once asked me, why do I like boxing? Like, why do I every time show up for myself, etc. And I wanted to say because it teaches me to push myself and to it gives me strength and fitness, and it is the best cardio as well. I used to do soccer and do all some kind of stuff, but this is now my favorite kind of sport, and I hope I inspire each and every one of you. Hey guys, that's all today. And after the treadmill, I did a couple of cool workouts like abs and also back workout. 2 set, 2 set, and that's it. So I'm not a big fan of running on the treadmill, but I like more like outdoors or something like that. But yeah, we made it, guys. I just love to sweat and be disciplined on especially on my cardio, which is why I try to maintain my weight, and hopefully I inspire you guys also, to start doing something, at least like joining the gym or something like that. And this is a part of me that I would like to share to you guys. So yeah, today's session is done. Maybe tomorrow we will continue, inshallah. So yeah. My post-workout meal, I love to eat some 2 eggs, which is about 14 grams of protein, and the 3 eggs will be about like 28 or 21 grams of protein. So yeah, just keep it simple and good for muscle recovery as well, as I didn't do much in the gym, like lifting heavy weights, etc. So yeah, I just keep it simple. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you and packaging my skincare. I just did a quick shopping skincare and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is a vitamin C serum which I use it for my face. It gives me like a lot of glow and protects me from the cracking of the skin. It really smells like what do you call it? It smells like lemon and orange smells like orange. And yeah, it gives a bit of a shining on my face and I really love it. Let me just show you other things. Over here, you guys know, protects me from the dry skin. I used to get like those frizzy gray, like, almost like dandruff on my skin, so this thing truly helped me. And yeah, it's really the best. Over here, I'm just gonna show you. Wow guys, this face wash is so amazing. It even smells like a wool charcoal thing. It's really amazing. Like, I don't like too much fragrancy face wash things because it really damages my skin barrier. And over here, oh my god, stop. The Nivea, absolutely amazing. It used to burn me from the first, but now I really got used to the smell and everything. I use it for my face and most of the time for my hands. Over here, you guys know. And yeah, it's really truly amazing. Over here, the sunscreen, this one is really useful even though it burns you or gives a heavy look, but yeah. And it's summer, so I don't want to be tan, guys. Over here is Nivea. Oops, what am I saying, bro? Over here is Nivea. Probably for my dirty, knuckles. I mean dry knuckles. Vaseline all the way, guys. The best, really. Thank you. عليكم guys hadda imtixaan aan jim gareeyo waxa sidee xiiti like maqrib la gaaray isku soo duko marka guys waxaan ilaahay xiiti meel ala joogtiin try to pray something because like ada taas wax sunnada oo fiicanta oo like meel ala joogtid oo ku dukatid oo salaad imtixaan aad ku dadaashid marka aan imtixaan waxaan ilaahay xiiti meel ala joogtiin ku dugta ilaa soo xasuusta هذا أوجدي ممكن نخرط لكن استوى السيشن عيد منه الحمد لله هذا واحد عيد منه هذا الحفلة هذا إن شاء الله سويا مرك جايز لا كنت لا نبيل هاي وقتي هنا امتحانة واحد في عن قصة ما يستوى سويا So today's session is done. It was more or less like heavyweight, a little bit of warm up again. And this is my sister. She had done literally nothing.
No, I did leg day.
Okay. Guys, so this is me for lunch, and I'm also drinking tea, as you guys know. The cheese is, I know you guys saying, oh, why is a lot of cheese? I mean, I love cheese, guys. I'm sorry. And yeah. Hey guys, so we just came to the library to drop some books, and my sister over here, she's trying to act so aesthetic, and she is what she is. And yeah, I was thinking of taking some couple of books, but then I remembered there is books for me at home that I still need to be finished reading it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you the nature of these trees. It's so beautiful. Like we're just sitting here inside, even though we drank some coffee.
I love a can of coffee. That was so good.
Yeah, and but you know, you could have made iced coffee at home instead of just buying this
Well,
piece.
this one, I don't care.
This, it's so small guys that we bought it for 30 rand. Can you all imagine? Actually, I like making my coffee at home, and you know, just putting it ice and stuff like that. So yeah guys, I want to show you this beautiful trees. So hold on.
Look at me.
Aww. How tall are you?
5'2".
This
I'm
single.
not 50 girl. People like to say I'm 50 girl. I'm not.
It is so cute.